Hi everyone. So, I say so a lot. We have our work cut out for us this year. And some of that is going to be challenging, and some of it will be just kind of being able to remember what I keep saying, patience and faith. Things aren't going to always go smoothly, and so because of that, we just need to have really good communication with each other, and that includes myself with you. So every once in a while, I'm going to be making a video. I know you're super excited for that. But this video is about how we turn in our journals when we can't really be in a physical place with each other. So I know that some teachers call them the INBs, interactive notebooks. I call them journals. Sometimes I call them notebooks. But either way, it's what we're doing. I'm going to go through how I would like you to turn in your journal, and hopefully this will answer a couple of questions and make it as easy for you as possible. All right, let's get started. You can do this in a couple of different ways. As you all have seen, I have uploaded pictures just directly from my journal, what they look like and how they fit into page numbers. So I make sure that I have my page numbers and just turn them in this way. You can do that, and if your cat wants to help, then make sure, by all means, let them. I'm a big cat fan. If you decide to do it another way, what you can do is go ahead and click on Journal. You'll notice that it's also in Spanish here for those of you who feel more comfortable with Spanish. And of course, I'm terribly open to that. So if you open this journal, you'll notice that you can go over here and make a copy for yourself. Once you've made that copy, so copy of your journal, you can rename it. So you can put journal and then your name. In this case, Miss Scholes. Fun fact, even though I am married, I go by Miss because I did not take my husband's name. The other thing that you can do is, as usual, fill out this part of your table of contents, and then go ahead and make a space for yourself so that you can put page 1. Now, page 1 would usually go on the right-hand side. Page. I can't spell. Page 1. Or, as most of you will do, 1. And then align it back to your left hand side. Then you can insert the first image. So if you're uploading it from a phone or from your Chromebook. The other thing, since it's probably going to be put in sideways, you can always reorient it and make it bigger, so that way I can see, because it's only within the last couple of years that I've had to have glasses to see what your writing is. Oops, too much. Make it smaller. Then you would do this for each of your pages. So insert, go to computer, upload, and upload the next page. This might be a nice time. And since the page number is here, then you wouldn't have to type it in. Now, if it's a case of you are getting to a poem that you need to put in, you can scroll down to the poem. So if it's Because I Could Not Stop for Death, you can click on it, copy, and paste that into the next slot. Now, since I've asked you to annotate this for things like alliteration, you can go to highlight colors and look for the places where there is alliteration and color code it. So if alliteration's yellow and things like repetition are blue, you can create a chart that says as much. Personification, let's have that be pink, just for funsies. Ooh, that's too pink. Get a lighter pink. There we go. All right. So now, how do we turn it in? Okay, I will be creating a spot in your Google Classroom where you can turn it in. Now, you'll notice that my Google Classroom is a little different than your Google Classroom, but I'm gonna walk you through it anyway. All right, let's begin. Okay, with something like this, where you might notice it looks a little different on my side than it does on your side, and there's a ring in the middle because this is my lighting. Let's make it brighter, you say? Let's go ahead. And that ring gets brighter. Okay, so in your top right-hand corner, there will be a space that says turn in or create or add. If you are just taking pictures and putting them into the Google Classroom, then you would create a doc and then drop your pictures into that doc. If you're adding on, then you would add on the journal that you had copied and put that in. Once you have it linked to our turn in slot, then you're going to press turn in. Again, my side doesn't have these features, so I cannot show you those features since I don't have them. You would then click turn in. It might ask you if you really want to turn it in. You will push yes or click on yes, and then it will turn into me and I can go through it and give you your grade. All right, remember, if you need any help or have any questions, please email me. I am free on our Asynchronous Wednesdays, and I hope you watch our Wednesday video and just kind of take you out because, you know, I love theater. You can stop watching now if you don't want to hear me sing. I'm through accepting limits, 'cause someone says they're so. Some things I cannot change, but till I try, I'll never know. Too long I've been afraid of losing love, I guess I'd lost. Well, if God's love comes at much too high a cost. I'd sooner buy defying gravity. Kiss me goodbye, I'm defying gravity, and you can't pull me down.
Come with me. Think of what we could do
Together. All right, you guys. Have a good day, and I hope you are all safe. Be kind. Be kind. Be patient. And have faith that as long as we make sure that we do what we need to do, we will be together soon. All right?